Hey everyone, and welcome to the DP120 Data Protector Essentials 2019.12 Digital Learning with Exam Course Preview. In this course, you're going to learn about installing a Data Protector client, configuring media pools and backup devices, backing up data, more importantly, restoring backed up data, monitoring your DP environment, implementing deduplication, and administrating the internal database. By the end of this course, you'll know how to leverage the benefits of Data Protector, how to configure Data Protector, how to administer Data Protector, how to support a Data Protector environment, and upon successful completion of the specialist exam in this course, you will achieve the Data Protector Administrator Specialist Badge from Acclaim. Awesome stuff. A new and improved user experience, which now includes a searchable table of contents, closed captioning, etc., that will allow you to find, to access what you need when you need it. Expert content, audio narrative, product demonstrations, self-paced, anytime, anywhere, hands-on show-me's and try-me's, and to boot, 1 year of access. I hope you'll embark on this journey to learn DP120 Data Protector Essentials 2019.12 Digital Learning with Exam course at Micro Focus. This course is now available.